start, I wish I had more beautiful words I could share with you on how much Rob meant to us and our family. Before we turn things over to the Thunderbirds, we have a special salute that we would like to give Rob. And momentarily, we're going to invite you, if you would, to join us in a moment of silence and courtesy of Rick Myers, the team with Firewalkers International Pyro. We are going to send him off with a pyro hit, and it's affectionately known as the F-bomb. Rob would giggle at the name, but it's something that he and Firewalkers developed together. We had planned this shot for his performance here this week at Air Power over Hampton Road. This is a pyro event that would create a ginormous smoke ring over the field, and Rob and his friends love nothing more than to fly through that smoke ring, and it's something that brought us a lot of laughter and a lot of joy. In just a moment, we will see this salute, our family salute, if you will, to Rob. And as we get ready to do so, I'd like to take a very quick moment to recognize just a couple of Rob's life accomplishments. A 6-time world aerobatic champion, a 13-time national aerobatic champion consecutively, the 2012 recipient of the Airshow Memorial Showmanship Award, the highest honor given within our business. He was honorary Blue Angel, honorary Snowbird, a 4-time Charles Dillon Trophy recipient, a 4-time U.S. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would please now join us in a moment of silence, and may we dedicate our show and our efforts today to the legendary Rob Holland. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, our Airshow family tribute. As we get ready to turn it over to the team, I'm going to play for you one final time Rob Holland's Airshow music, because he would want one thing and one thing only, and that is to fly good and not suck, his motto. Nobody else in the world ever came close to the accolades, or ever might will, to the accomplishments that Rob Holland was able to do over the course of his career, and we will miss him dearly. Ladies and gentlemen, a team that he also loved dearly, and here to fly for you today, our United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron, the Thunderbirds, are coming up next.